Alliance Gator. Supersand G2 Rapid Set Technology. Made with a state-of-the-art manufacturing process, this new generation of intelligent polymers neutralizes haze and dust. No blower is needed. The intelligent polymeric sand requires only one watering and rains safe after 15 minutes. Supersand G2 is recommended for a variety of uses, ideal for concrete pavers, wet cast products and natural stone, with joints up to 2 inches. Supersand G2 Rapid Set Technology, the cleanest, fastest and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Supersand G2 offers the trendiest natural colors that last. They are beige and slate gray in a drainage-based system composed of 2 layers. A Gator fabric 4.4 will be laid, followed by a layer of minimum 6 inches of crushed stone compacted at 98% proctor density. An upper layer with a maximum of 1 inch bedding sand. Finally, the paver joints will be filled with Supersand G2. G2 Rapid Set Technology works when you work. Set above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius. And rain safe after 15 minutes of water activation. Supersand G2. Simplified 4 easy steps installation. Step 1. Spread G2 with hard bristle broom. Make sure the G2 completely fills the joints. Leave a layer of G2 on the surface to aid in the vibrating and consolidation of G2 into joints. Step 2. Vibrate the G2 into the paver joints using a vibratory plate compactor. A protective pad is recommended. Compact in several directions to ensure there are no air gaps or voids in the joints. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to ensure joints are filled and consolidated. Step 3. Sweep off excess G2 from the paved surface, first with a hard bristle broom, then a soft bristle broom. Take care to leave the height of the polymeric sand at least 1/8 of an inch below the edge or chamfer of the paver. Step 4. Use a watering gun connected to a garden hose. Set to shower. Activate the G2 by showering a 30 square foot section for 30 seconds, starting at the lowest point. Supersand G2 Rapid Set Technology, the cleanest, fastest and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Along with no dust, haze-free, no blower, 1 watering, and rain safe after 15 minutes. Alliance is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year limited warranty on all their G2 Sands Rapid Set technology. Visit us at alliancegator.com.